Okay, let's learn about this motherboard here. This is where the processor would go. The processor looks like this. And then this is where the memory will go in. Notice there are two different colors. And you always got to put them in pair. So you will always buy two of them at a time. And you have to use the same colored slot at a time. If you put one in blue and one in black, it's not going to work. And then this is the expansion card slot. There are different types. So the video card that we bought looks like this, would go in here, for example. You may think this will be dangling in the air and ready to snap. That's why we have this bracket to use to secure the card to the board. And all these fancy things are there because whatever this is generating a lot of heat. So when you see something like this here, this kind of fin is called. If you look at a motorcycle, then you will see this fin coming out of the engine, because motorcycle is air cooled, so they need to cool the engine completely with just flowing air. So they have this lot of this coming out of their engine. So that's about it. And then here we have expansion slots. If you want to connect anything later on USB, audio card, and all that is here. And also the hard drive that we bought will go in through the SATA cable through this one. So this is the place that will have a cable that will connect to the hard drive.